Hi everyone. Most of the courses that I'm going to be doing for the UCT Summer School are going to be pre-recorded, and so I thought it would be quite nice for you to meet the voice. I mean the face, the face behind the voice. And so here I am. My name is Máire Fisher, and I'm really looking forward to joining you and getting to know you and your writing in the next couple of weeks. So this is me. I'm a writer. I've published two books. I've got a third one, which I hope at some point in my life will be finished. I'm very good at telling people what to do and not following through for myself. Or this last year has seen that happen for me. Um, I um, I run creative writing workshops with a friend of mine called Chantel Stewart, and we used to run them in person and have recently moved on to running them online and will continue to do so next year. I am also a mentor. I help people through the process and to help them to progress with what they're writing. And I used to be an editor. I don't do very much of that anymore. I find running workshops and doing mentoring is what I really do. Not that I didn't enjoy editing, but it seems to be another step as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, so just a little bit to let you know who I am, and I'll be doing a couple more of these short intro type clips before we get into the workshop proper, just to give you an idea of what to expect, how to do it, how we'll go about it. One of my big hopes for these courses is that although they are pre-recorded, we will, I hope, be able to meet together at least once, if not twice, for the courses that I'm doing, where people will have a chance to read what they've written, to share what they've been doing, how they feel about their writing. And if that isn't possible, then what I would love to do is get snippets of your writing from you that I can then read out and share with everyone, because that for me is one of the great joys of doing these courses, is seeing what people do with the prompts and the exercises that they're given. It's wonderful for other writers as well, because you realize what you can do, because everybody treats prompts and moves with them and with the exercises in the most amazing directions, and you see people being stunned by what they've written, or delighted, or devastated sometimes, or excited and thrilled, and it's a really lovely part of the process. So I would be sorry to lose that, and I hope there will be a way that we can gather together across various time zones. So I'll try and find a time that sort of hits the middle for everyone and doesn't make it too early in the morning or too late at night if there are people Zooming in or Microsoft Teamsing in to join us, so we can all be together. So I'll be sending you emails and finding out what suits people the best, and we can move forward from there. But either way, I will figure out a way to share what has been written by the participants in the group. So yeah, it's lovely to meet you, if only in this way, and I really do look forward to working with you and seeing where your writing takes you.